I thought it would be useful just to do 2 words about packet design because this is a lesson in adapting. And this is an example of where the kind of realities of the current market forced us to take a step back and say, how, I listen to my own talk, okay? The world's changed. How do we need to change? Packet design was started in May of 2000 as I keep saying not an incubator, but as a technology company bringing researchers and developers together with the notion that we would work on 5 or 6 things at once and then either spin out companies to productize those technologies or license technologies to equipment vendors. And in some ways it was the perfect world for Bill and I as we started, because the notion is it was a perpetual startup, and we love startups, so we could just always be in the startup mode. Well, we got to, and for the first 3 years I would say that model was very successful, and you'll see why, because we have the makings of 3 very important spin-outs. But we got towards the end of last year, and it was clear we were going to have to raise some more money into Packet Design LLC because there was no licensing business. Because of what was going on in the network equipment space, there was no longer 15 vendors that I could license something to. It was either license it to Cisco or you probably didn't license it at all. And so we took a look at it and said, it doesn't matter whether this is our dream model. Is this a sustainable model, given the fact that I don't think anything's going to change over the next couple of years? We're not about to enter another upcycle. And really what we're doing doesn't apply to the consumer space as much. So what we decided to do was transition the model. And we essentially split the company into 3 spin-outs. We already had Vernier Networks, which we had spun out in 2001. We took the rest of Packet Design and broke it into Packet Design Inc., which is in the routing space, essentially giving visibility and into IP networks. This is in that management and operations space and allowing people to use their resources more efficiently. And then Precision IO, which is still funded by Packet Design LLC. Packet Design Inc. did raise venture funding, which we closed about a month ago. Precision IO, which we will continue to fund for a couple of months as we are finishing the business plan, but developing new technology in the server IO space that we're very excited about. But instead of going on and developing new projects, what we're doing is focusing on making these 3 things successful, because that's what I think it takes in this environment.